We're gonna get the snow bike out finally. We're gonna put the ski on real quick. I'm an idiot. I gotta loosen this up.
Rip today.
She is ripping awesome. Way better than last year. Putting that bracket in for one, it's just stable, sits up on its own now. The new sprocket is awesome. I have power. The chain tensioner is working. The brakes, well, they're way better, but they're not working yet because I gotta bleed the brake line. But we got a working snow bike, guys. It just needs some little bit of tidying up and should be ready for more rides. It's a little cold and blowy and rainy and snowy.
I think the storm's here coming in.
It's here. I think it's getting worse. I can't even see over there.
Yeah.
It's slippery right there. I was almost home too.
I don't know if I got it. I went the other way.
Of course you would. Shit.
Your handlebar right? Got twisted down.
Yeah. If you guys made it this far in the video, you must like this type of content. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You'll see more content from the Brapaholics. You hit that tree. they can make that easy.
Huh. Damn kids and their racers. Is that where my razor bottomed out that day?
Probably.
I think we were going the other way though.
Yeah. We can go back through there.
Maybe, I don't know. I might hit.
Oh, you're right. There's a tree. I don't have enough traction.
Whoa.
I'm a little stuck. I'm getting it. I stalled it. Ah. Why you do this to me now?
Oh. Perfect.
Let's see if I can get out. I got too cocky.
Let's just get bumps all over the place. I hit it hard that time, so I went back up the way we came and my full front end come up.
You shouldn't even have to go through that fast. I just like pounding through there.
Might as well make a snow angel.
Alright guys, we are about done. It is getting a lot worse out. So hopefully we got snow tomorrow too. Anyways, quad's running good. Snow bike's running really good. Only thing wrong with the quad, For some reason, I think I got something wrong with the key switch. It doesn't want to start up very well. It's like half working, half not. So I might be getting towed.
Maybe I'm getting towed.
Yeah. All right, guys. Looks like I'm getting towed back. For some reason, the key, doesn't want to start. I think I got water in the key switch. Something's not making contact. Unfortunately. Fun-filled day when something gets pulled back.
Not the best strap, but strap.
It'll work. I don't really, yeah, we're gonna have to loop it through there because I don't have a hook.
I got a hitch on, so.
Okay. Sure Brock doesn't find out.
Why? I'm gonna rub it in.
No, because I'm always joking that I'm the one that's gonna tow Brock back.
Well, this is Can-Am towing the player.
Yeah, that's even probably worse.
Maybe it's only made Canada.